Game started.
Oh, Moet Chandon. I think I've played him before. Argentina. And 1396, a good rating. So he starts off, okay. He starts with f4. So I will play e5. I will play the from gambit again. And he takes this time. Okay, so this is the normal way the from gambit goes. Knight f3. So should I try g5? I really don't know this line, so why not? Yeah, I don't know. Was g4 such a threat? I could play g4 anyway, and if he takes, take with the bishop. But isn't this already a problem?
Checkmate.
Yeah, I guess I won't. Well, maybe I'll save this just for amusement purposes, but there's not much to analyze here. I'll try and get another game.